Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Friday, May 31st. Overall, we're getting into a quieter weather pattern that will continue today and tomorrow. But as we get into the weekend, weak shortwave makes its way through, bring a small rain, isolated thunderstorm chance along with it, but we will see a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms on Monday as a bit better organized system moves just to our north. So overall though, we stay dry, warm, and a little bit breezy at times today and tomorrow. Here's a look at satellite early this morning. You see we've got some cloud cover, some moisture out there along parts of the west, but here in eastern Idaho, not a whole lot to see on satellite early this morning. So again, pretty quiet for today, and for most of tomorrow, a lot of us will stay dry. So here's a look at our weather risk outlook grid. Again, overall, nothing of major concern by any means for the next couple of days. Most of us pretty quiet for today. As we get into Saturday and Sunday with that weak shortwave coming through, we will introduce a slight chance for a few showers and isolated thunderstorms, especially in some of the higher terrain through parts of the central mountains, eastern highlands areas. But a lot of us will stay dry, so it's certainly not a washout for the weekend by any means. It will be breezy at times too, and that wind will continue into Monday and Tuesday. But you'll notice Monday we do expect some potential minor impacts with more organized activity, or at least some more widespread activity with those showers and thunderstorms, especially into parts of the central mountains up towards the Sawtooths and even into the eastern highlands there. We could see some decent rainfall amounts with some of that too, so that's going to be kind of what we're keeping an eye on as we get into the weekend and early next week. High temperatures today, a lot of us will be in the 60s to 70s. Wind, not much of an impact for us today. You'll see some gusts around 15 to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. Notice our temperatures on Saturday, we do warm up pretty well. More of us down here in the valleys will be in the 70s to low, almost mid-80s. And as we look at Saturday afternoon, those wind gusts will increase a little bit more, or at least with more of us seeing those wind gusts closer to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. As we get into Sunday, our temperatures actually drop just a couple of degrees, but overall still looking at more 70s for a good portion of us. The wind will pick up as we get into Sunday with some gusts around 30-35 miles per hour. Some of our more typical windier spots will be closer to about 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Again, that'll be out across parts of the Arco Desert, Mud Lake area out towards INL. Then as we get into Monday with that next system headed our way, temperatures for most of us will drop a couple degrees, still 60s and 70s for those afternoon highs though. As I mentioned earlier, we could see some impressive rainfall totals with this system. Now, again, the exact track of it will have an impact on who sees more of that rain, so keep checking back for updates because, of course, this is still a couple of days out. But the Weather Prediction Center has at least highlighted a small portion of our area for their excessive rainfall outlook for Monday, with at least a marginal risk. So that's going to be mainly up towards the Stanley area is what they have highlighted for right now. We'll be keeping an eye on that. There's about a 30 to 50% chance of that area seeing about a half an inch of rain on Monday. Again, those numbers are going to change. These areas could change, so keep checking back for updates on that as we go through the weekend. But overall, warm, dry, and breezy today and tomorrow, even on Sunday. But that better chance for some more widespread activity will be arriving on Monday, and then after that, we'll dry things out and really start to warm things up. So if you're looking for some more summer-like temperatures, those will be headed our way, especially in the second half of next week. Thursday and Friday, looking pretty toasty for us next week. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always find us on social media. It's a great way to connect. Our latest weather forecast, of course, always available online too. And if you really need to, you can give us a phone call or send us an email. Otherwise, have a great day.